MMCC has really found an important role in helping community organizations providing great services, whether it's women who are victims of domestic violence, whether it's children in foster care. Our goal is to identify wonderful work that's being done in the community and then channeling Muslim communities' resources to help them. And I think that is a critical role that we're very happy to be able to fulfill.
This organization was established to serve not only Muslims but non-Muslims alike.
This is the first Muslim transitional home in Michigan. None. Before, our sisters used to end up in a shelter home which is shared by 50 women, same bathroom, no halal food, nothing like that, So now we have, alhamdulillah, for the first time in Michigan, we have a transitional home for the sister who can take shelter, and it's a beautiful atmosphere, We provide them food, education, and all different kind of trainings so they could be on their feet and to be a productive citizen.
For recipients, it's a relief. Relief, emotional relief, psychological relief, marital relief, and financial relief.
It's important to make sure that the Muslim family is strong and remain one, because in the strength of the family is the strength of the community.
Unless you have a professional counseling to the people, you cannot issue the root cause of their problems, So where would they go? They have to come to the professional counselors who know the background of this society and also the background of the Islamic perspective.
Muslim historically and traditionally have been very involved in healthcare. It's part of our tradition of our Prophet.
Huda Clinic is an extremely successful project. It started with at the Muslim Center with a couple of small rooms on the second floor. We worked with them, we supported them, we raised money, and with the money that we raised, we helped them purchase a new facility that's bigger, much larger and more like a true clinic.
Tending to the sick, ill, keeping them healthy, keeping them productive is overall in the long term good for the society. People with the heart and the soul should look at this as a place where is absolutely no question what we do is important.
They provide service free of charge for people who cannot afford to see their own doctor. And that's part of the Muslim belief. You help people who need.
We have approached MMCC at various times. They are good boosters of us and promoters of us, and we are very proud to be associated with them.
Really important for us as an organization to have these kinds of close relationships with organizations such as MMCC. And for right now, it is a prime mover and shaker for us as an organization.
I think it's important that community organizations work together, such as Huda Clinic, such as Muslim Family Services, Zaman International, the soldiers on the ground that are doing the work. We certainly need the monetary support. And then also there's the opportunity for youth in the community to have volunteer outlets and places to get their community service hours. So it creates a win-win.
I want to assure everybody that the mission of Huda Clinic is sincere and pure, and whatever we do is for the sake of the poor and the uninsured, and there's no other reason for our existence here.
You have to look at the work that and both organizations doing. this humanitarian.
In order for us to provide the services, we must receive enough funds to meet our goals in supporting all these community services, which are vital for the humanity, and also it's important to serve the Muslims.